Hello everybody, I'm at the HS2 Wendover cut and cover tunnel part of the route, and I'm just about to go onto the Bailey Bridge. And as we can see at the site, there are dumper trucks with huge loads. These are big trucks, six-wheelers as we say in the business. And of course this is a construction site, no unauthorized access, keep out. Bit of a strange place to put that sign. Anyway, I hope you've got a head for height, viewers, because I haven't. And I'm looking down now on where the tunnel will be buried underground eventually, which is the next stage. And it's got a lot of noise going on, noise of vehicles. And we can see the left-hand side of the tunnel as we look. We're looking north. We're looking towards Birmingham that way. See, the left-hand side of the tunnel has been filled with, well, I would call it aggregate, but that's completely wrong because aggregate is concrete. It's been filled with 3 layers, and Steve has told me this, and he should know. The first layer is limestone, which for those of you of chemical interest, I think is sodium carbonate, and it's fairly large. Then you've got chalk on top of that. I think that's also calcium carbonate. I'll have to check this. And then on top of that, you get the sort of topsoil and the dirt. Now, the interesting thing about this tunnel, let's have a look at the other one there. You can see they're beginning to close up to each other, which of course will mean the destruction of this Bailey Bridge perhaps, and the reopening of the original road which it replaces. Anyway, we can see also the tunnel has got lights in it. Both tunnels have. The right hand tunnel, actually from this perspective, it's an optical illusion, looks slightly wider than the left hand tunnel, which perhaps means that people will be more interested in going from Birmingham to London than vice versa, but I joke. Now, interestingly, when the whole thing is covered up, both topsoil and chalk and limestone are water permeable, which means that if it rains a lot, the water just goes straight through it. And I imagined that it would pool in the middle of the M of the 2 tunnels, underground of course, but that could be an issue. We might have damp in the tunnel and nobody wants that. But of course I think they mitigate that problem by putting a concrete crown across the top of the M, so the water just slides down the sides. It's very shaky on this bridge. I want to show you some vehicles moving, and of course they decide not to move while I'm filming. But my friend Steve gave me a lift here. He's up with his drone. Well, he's not with his drone. He's flying a drone to take some photos. So you'll be able to see some views from that. Thanks a lot for watching. It's Peter. It's Friday the 8th of May. Cheers.